Hey guys, we were just making another video, but I messed up, and then I opened a new Rubik's Cube. So Rubik's Cube videos, for those of you who love them, they're continuing. It's my broken one. Broken right here. Okay. And here's his pennies. Get in the camera so I can see you. It's the world's smallest Rubik's Cube.
No.
That's too close. They can't even see me.
My work is cute. It's a
Oh.
what?
Show the camera.
It's a tiny one.
Wait, that's the camera right there. That's too close.
Oh. That's different colors.
Wait, give me it. Have it. Give me it. Let me see. Alright, let me see. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a short one. It's supposed to be long, but we missed.
Henry.
But something happened.
Henry.
Something happened. Also, make your own YouTube videos. Comment on my videos and I make them, and I could watch them, and I could comment on your videos. So bye.